Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to compare two popular kitchen appliances, the Ninja Foodi Deluxe XL and the Cosori Air Fryer Pro. We will see how these two stack up against each other in different categories. If you're new here, don't forget to like the video, comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. The Ninja Foodi Deluxe XL has an 8-quart ceramic-coated pot and a 5-quart ceramic-coated cook and crisp basket. It can hold up to a 7 lb chicken, which makes it perfect for large families. On the other hand, the Cosori Air Fryer Pro has a 5-quart cooking space, which is suitable for 1 to 4 people. It makes the Cosori Air Fryer more compact and easier to store. The Ninja Foodi Deluxe XL offers 12 programmable cooking functions to pressure cook, air fry, air crisp, steam, slow cook, yogurt, sear, sauté, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, sous vide, and keep warm. On the other hand, the Cosori Air Fryer Pro has 9 one-touch cooking functions and personalized shake reminders. The Ninja Foodi offers more cooking options, while the Cosori Air Fryer offers convenience with shake reminders. The Ninja Foodi Deluxe XL costs $194, while the Cosori Air Fryer Pro costs $99. In terms of price, the Cosori Air Fryer is more affordable than the Ninja Foodi Deluxe XL. Both the Ninja Foodi Deluxe XL and the Cosori Air Fryer Pro have safety features. The Ninja Foodi has 14 safety features, while the Cosori Air Fryer has ETL certification. Both appliances are safe to use. That's it for today's video. We hope this comparison has helped you make a better decision on which appliance to buy. Let us know in the comments below which one would you prefer. Don't forget to like the video if you found it helpful, comment below with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.